Hello, children. Welcome back to Storyland. So, children, today's story is about a king. A king who used to live in a huge kingdom. So, one day, what happened, children? One saint visited the king's kingdom and stayed with the king for some days. The king served the saint very nicely and treated him very nicely. And the saint became very happy with the king. So while returning back, the saint granted a wish to the king. And for the wish, the king asked that whatever things he touched should turn into gold. So, hearing the wish, the saint said that, listen, this is certainly not a good wish. You can ask for anything else. But the king pleaded with the saint that, no, dear saint, please grant me this wish. So the saint granted him this wish. So now the king became very happy and excited. So he just wanted to exercise this just got special powers. So he went on touching so many things, and he saw that everything he touched that it turned into gold, and he was very happy. And after some time, he felt very hungry. The king felt very hungry, and at that time he forgot about his special powers. And when he started eating, and when he first touched his food, the whole food turned into gold. And the king became mad seeing this. And then he realized that what he did and why the saint was preventing him to ask for this wish. And he thought that, oh God, I will starve and I will die. What I will eat? And he was very hungry and he was started crying. And when the king was crying, hearing the king crying, the king's beloved daughter, he ran towards the king and he saw that his father was crying. But she did not know what the saint granted, what kind of wish to his father. And just to pacify his father, she just came and kept his hand on his father's shoulder and asked him that, what happened, father, why you are crying? And before realizing anything, when the king saw that his only one beloved daughter already turned into gold, and he just screamed and screamed and screamed and cried like anything. So, children, what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is greed always falls down. So I hope you like this story. So if you like it, please send me your comments and share and subscribe and like my channel. And very soon I'll be back with one more interesting and story. Okay, till then, bye bye. Hello, children.